In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads and without creating any website, just by using free traffic. I will share with you guys my method that makes me $15,250 in commission every single month. Okay, I made this commission in the month of March. Okay, from the first day of March until the last day of March 31. Let's click on update. And here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers because I'm sharing with you guys my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, this is not screenshot like other people sharing with you. I made this commission, but they are sharing just screenshot. Who share dashboard affiliate account like this? And as you can see in my balance, I have $3,120. I will still get more commission in next few days. It can be up to 10k, 12k or 11k this month again. Then I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, if you are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing as a beginner, follow those new methods that I will share with you for free in this video, and let's get started. So first, for beginners, what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission. Okay, so you just need to click on join now, and here you go. You will be directly into this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Okay, so just to explain something, guys, so for people who are asking why it's showing 0 in your impression and in your CTR, because when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate program, they will ask you here, do you have a main source of traffic? If you say yes, you need to put your website link here. Okay, if you put your website link here, Fiverr will track your impression and your CTR and you will start seeing numbers here. Okay, so for me, I don't have any website. Okay, so I said no because I don't have any website. So that's why it's showing 0 in my impression and CTR. Okay, so anyways, after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, because we will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links for free. So what you will do, you will go back to your homepage on YouTube. Okay, open your YouTube channel homepage like this. It's super easy. And why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors. Okay, you can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly. There are millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products, topics on YouTube because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. So you should use YouTube to promote your affiliate links if you want to earn some commission. Okay, so open your YouTube homepage like this, click on the search and ask question. That's how I find my profitable services. I will ask, for example, how to promote YouTube videos, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. So you just need to put keywords here. You can ask any question: how to promote, how to make, how to create, how to do, and so on. Okay? And YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. This is report search prediction. Okay? People are searching for how to promote YouTube videos on Instagram, how to promote YouTube videos in Google Ads, how to promote YouTube videos on TikTok. So what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search for YouTube promotion. Okay? Search for YouTube promotion services, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. Okay? What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. Okay? Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, and choose sellers like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay? So I will choose, for example, this one. This one has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay? And here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And as you can see, this seller has 7 orders in queue, a lot of reviews. People keep coming back. So which people are buying this service? Of course, only those people who are searching for how to promote YouTube videos, how to promote YouTube videos to get more views, how to promote YouTube videos organically. Those people want to grow their YouTube channels and get more views, more engagement. Okay? So those people are, a lot of people are buying this service. Okay? Because a lot of people asking me always, people will not buy these services. Why not? Because why not? If you are seeing here, people keep coming back, and this seller has a lot of reviews, 7 orders in queue. People are buying those services, guys. Okay, people who are who want to start YouTube, who started YouTube channels, they have small YouTube channels, they are interested. Okay, they will be interested to buy those services. Okay, about YouTube promotion to grow their YouTube channels. So anyway, so what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, go back to the seller profile page, click on his video. This seller has a video that's really good. Double click on the video and click on save video as, and save this video to your laptop. It's super easy. I'm gonna name it YouTube ads, for example. Click on save. After you finish, go back to Google, search for Canva like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. So just click over here on video, and it's for free. You will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, this one, open, and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Okay, like this. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. Click on text and scroll down. Choose which text style you want to use. So for example, I will use this one. Just click on the text style. Your text will be over here. I will delete the second one and decrease the font size of this text like this, and put this text here. Double click on your text and write this sentence. Okay, check link in my description. Okay, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and I will show you how we can do it. Put this text here like this. Click on element Scroll down, click on ship. Okay, click on color, choose black color, put this ship behind your text exactly like this, and here you go. Check link in description. Let's check this video.
Audi will help you grow your YouTube channel or specific video. If you're looking to grow your brand with natural engagement, this is the
That's really good. This video explaining this service for those people who are searching for how to grow their YouTube channels. And this video is explaining this service to those people. So the people who will watch this video, they will see this check link in description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. So after you finish, just click on share, scroll down, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel and put this title here. Okay, how to promote YouTube videos to get more views. Put this title in your YouTube video. Okay, use this title for your YouTube video, the same title, the same keywords. So people who are using those keywords exactly, you will find your video in search results. If you are not using those keywords, people will not find your video. Okay, how to promote YouTube videos to get more views. And go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, because I have old Fiverr affiliate account, you should see this Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And that's it. That's how we can promote affiliate links on YouTube. Use YouTube search to find which topics people are searching for. Go to Fiverr, search for services related to those topics. Start promoting those topics that people are those services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube, and you can start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube. Okay, and that's it. This is my method that I'm using. I have been doing this business for almost 3 years, and I do it correctly, and that's how it works, guys. You just need to stay consistent, grow your YouTube channel, and that's it. You can make so much money using free traffic. Thank you so much for watching again. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video. For people who don't know exactly how to promote those affiliate links on YouTube, how to put affiliate link in description, how to upload video, I will leave a link in my description below for video showing you step by step how you can do it. Okay, and see you in my next video.